If you're looking for an easier way to color grade and edit your videos, then this video is for you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Filmstock YouTube channel. We are Chris and Christina. We are here to help you make better videos and empower your inner video creator.
Just before we get started with this one, make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any future tips and tricks videos like this one. When it comes to video editing and particularly color grading, it can be kind of hard to know where to start. What kind of look do I want? How do I keep that look consistent across the video? These might be some of the questions you ask yourself when you're editing. Well, it actually doesn't have to be that complicated. This process can be made a lot easier by using a LUT.
A LUT stands for Lookup Table, which is an already created color grading template. You can use these templates the way they are, or you can use them as a starting point to create your own look.
So where do I find these color grading templates, you might ask? Filmstock actually has a large range of LUT packs available. So let's have a look at how you can easily color grade your videos.
So the first thing we're going to do is go to the Filmstock website and type LUT into the effects search bar. You can also search for filter and it will give you some more similar results. You can see that there are a lot of packs to choose from, so let's choose one for this video. I think we'll go for this nature LUT pack. So just click the download button and it will download to your Filmora video editor. With any of the LUT packs that you download, you'll find them in the effects section in Filmora. Click effects, find the Filmstock section, and here you will see your downloaded pack. So with this pack, there are 13 different filters that you can choose from. Each filter has a different look. Some are more contrasty than others. Some have a more muted look. Essentially, when you color grade your footage, you're changing the settings of the highlights, the shadows, the white balance, and the hue and saturation of colors. So these filters have already predetermined the changes to those settings. So it really does depend on what kind of look you like for your videos. So for example, this filter has more prominent or poppy greens. This one has a warmer tone and feel to it. Whereas this one seems to be a lot more contrasty with darker shadows. So you get to decide what looks best for your clips. Once you decide what LUT you like, you will hardly believe just how easy it is to use. Just drag it onto your clip and you're done. Editing your clips cleanly and consistently has never been easier.
Just a quick tip when it comes to using LUTs. If you're using a LUT to color grade your videos, let's say you've done a cinematic vlog for example, you want to try and keep things consistent across the entire video. So let's say you use a LUT which applies a teal and orange look to your video clips. You want to try and keep that look throughout the video and not change it midway through, because this can just be distracting and might look a little strange.
So now you know how to use these great LUTs, but before we finish, let me tell you about this ultimate editing hack. You want to be able to see what each filter will look like on your footage, right? So here's a way that you can do that really quickly. If you click on your clip first, you can then click through each LUT, and Filmora will show you that LUT and color grade on your own footage. How cool is that? This will save you so much time and you won't have to put each filter on individually. You can just quickly flick through and see which one you think works best.
So now you know how you can very quickly and easily color grade your own videos using LUTs from Filmstock.
Remember, you can find the LUT packs on the Filmstock website. The links will also be in the description.
And don't forget to hit the subscribe button too so you don't miss any future tips and tricks videos like this one.
So happy color grading, keep creating, and we will see you in the next one.